Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and then give me a thumbs up and like the video. I really appreciate it. In today's video, I'm going to be showing how to install. I'll show the part number there. And this is a brake splash shield or splash protector. Basically it goes kind of like around here on these three screws, and I wasn't able to show how to uninstall it because it was damaged. It basically came off on its own, and that's the reason I had to I'm putting a new one. But I'll show how to install it, and let me show the other side so you know what I'm talking about. Okay, here on this side you can see it there. Of course it's not as new for the age. It's been on there for 20 years, of course, but that's the brake splash shield or black brake splash protector. Protects basically debris coming in from the back and damaging your parts from the brake. So let me go ahead and put it on the other side so you can see there the three holes, and you basically just need some bolts or screws or something to hold on to it. And you see all the holes on the other side. You can see them there a little bit more clearly. The one on top is the small ones, of course, not the big ones. That one there on the bottom, and then that one there. It just holds it in place, and then that's to protect everything. So let me go ahead and put it on so then you can see how it looks like and compare it to, I guess it would be before and after. Okay, so there's the brake splash shield installed. I used what you can see there, those three bolts, and let's see if I can catch the back just to hold them in place. Some I guess bolt holders or whatever. I forgot, nuts. There you go. I'm losing track of everything. But let me know what you think about the video. Like I said before, it was damaged, so it came off very easily, but I was looking up that you drill the holes if you still have the factory ones installed. They're like rivets that go on there. You just drill them out to get them out, but since my thing was damaged, like the rivets and everything broke on it, so it was a matter of just peeling it off, so to speak. So let me know what you think about the video. Like I said, don't forget to subscribe to Robert's Video Machine. Give me a thumbs up, like the video. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much.